So we are going to open up the client billing report and make some additional modifications to it. So I'm just going to right click and go right into layout view. And we're going to insert some label and text box controls. So we're going to go into design. And we actually want that button. And if you remember on the form, this one does a label and a text box control. And they want us to position this to the right of the total column, and we're going to click. And you'll see that that added a whole new column. And what we're going to name this new column is total plus 9% tax. So let's double click on text 34, which is a horrible name. Yours might say text with a different number, and the number doesn't really matter. We want total plus 9% tax. Okay, so that's what our little column is going to be called. And then we're going to be doing a little calculation down here. So we'll click on the details section. We'll go into the property sheet. And then we need to go into the data tab. And where it says control source, that is where we're going to key in our little calculation. And it's a calculation, so it starts with an equal sign. In brackets, we're going to put total, which is the name of the field. And you'll notice that the field name displays here, so we can just double click on it. And that puts our little closing bracket in. And then we're going to do an asterisk for times 1.09. And then we'll go ahead and press enter. And we can close out of here, and you should see the results of the calculation. And then they would like us to apply the currency format to this. So let's go to format. And when we apply currency, you'll notice it also changes the alignment to right, which is kind of the normal way a number would display. And at this point, we're going to save our changes. And if we were to look at this for printing, the report would be on 3 pages. We have page 1 of 3. Okay, we don't need to look at all of them, and we do not need to print them either. So I'm going to close out of here. Make sure you save it. And then you can close the report.